Navi Mumbai International Airport, NMIA, now officially named Lockheed DB Patel Navi Mumbai International Airport, stands as a pivotal infrastructure milestone for India's aviation sector. Developed as a greenfield project in Ulvi, Raigad district, by a joint venture between Adani Airports Holdings Limited, 74% stake, and the City and Industrial Development Corporation, CIDCO, 26% stake, the airport aims to alleviate severe congestion at Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, CSMIA, which has reached its capacity of around 55 million passengers annually. Spanning 1,160 hectares, approximately 2,865 acres, the 16,700 rupees crore project is designed in 5 phases, with the initial phase featuring a single terminal and runway capable of handling 20 million passengers per annum (MPPA) and 0.5 million metric tons of cargo. Upon full completion by 2032, it will support up to 90 million passengers annually, positioning Mumbai alongside global cities like New York, London, and Dubai with dual international airports. The project's origins trace back to the late 1990s when CIDCO identified the Ulvi site to address Mumbai's growing air traffic needs. Initial proposals evolved, with a techno-economic feasibility study confirming viability in the early 2000s. Groundbreaking occurred in 2018 under the erstwhile GVK-led consortium, but Adani Group took over in 2020 amid financial restructuring. Construction accelerated post-2021, incorporating sustainable features like energy-efficient systems and eco-friendly materials, making it one of India's most advanced greenfield airports. The terminal design, inspired by Zaha Hadid architects, adopts a lotus motif for aesthetic appeal, with state-of-the-art facilities including automated baggage handling, the world's fastest, advanced security, and spacious lounges offering runway views, diverse cuisines, and free Wi-Fi. Key recent developments underscore the airport's readiness. In October 2024, an Indian Air Force C-295 aircraft performed the inaugural landing on the south runway, validating infrastructure integrity. This was followed by successful Instrument Landing System (ILS) calibration with the Airports Authority of India (AAI) in November 2024, essential for precise approaches. By early 2025, Gautam Adani reviewed progress, confirming swift advancement toward a June inauguration target, though delays pushed it forward. Construction reached 94 to 95% completion by mid-2025, with intensified efforts involving thousands of workers on interiors, facades, and taxiways. Trial flights, including an Indigo A320 in December 2024, further certified runway operations. Regulatory milestones accelerated in late 2025. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, granted the aerodrome license on September 30, 2025, affirming compliance with safety standards and enabling commercial flights. This followed AAI's airspace design and flight procedure optimizations in February 2025, reducing emissions and flight times along key corridors. The airport's Economic Regulatory Authority, ERA, approved user development fees, UDF 840 rupees for outbound domestic, 1,500 rupees for international, and lower for inbound, ensuring financial viability. On October 4, 2025, the central government approved naming it after Lockheed DB Patel, honoring the farmer activist's role in regional development and land rights advocacy, a long-standing demand fulfilled by Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis. Inauguration is slated for October 8, 2025, by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, arriving via the India One aircraft for a ceremonial landing. This follows postponements from earlier targets like September 30 due to heavy rains and access road delays. Commercial operations will commence shortly after, with domestic flights in late October or early November 2025, led by Indigo, 36 daily flights to 15 cities, Akasa Air, 15 domestic initially, scaling to 40 plus by mid-2026, and Air India, 15 cities, expanding internationally. International services are projected for mid-2026, with airlines like Air India Express committing to 20 daily departures, growing to 55. Initially, 60 to 79 daily departures are expected, ramping to 140 plus by late 2026 and 300 plus weekly within phases. Phase 2 preparations begin in October 2025, adding a second terminal and runway by 2029 using modular construction to minimize disruptions. The airport features parallel runways for Cody/F aircraft like the Airbus A380, a temporary air traffic control tower, to serve 6 to 7 years, and India's largest general aviation terminal with 75 bays and a heliport. Cargo facilities start at 0.8 million tons annually, supporting pharmaceuticals, perishables, and e-commerce. A VVIP terminal is planned for 2025 to 26 completion by 2030. Connectivity enhancements are critical. Main access via 4-lane Amra Marg and NH4B, with upcoming Ulwi and Kargar coastal roads. The Delhi-Mumbai Expressway completes by October 2025, linking Pune and beyond. Mumbai Metro Line 8, Gold Line, and suburban rail integration are underway, though full metro links to CSMIA may take years. Multimodal options include roads, metro, expressways, and future air taxis or water links, aiming to cut travel times despite initial challenges like 40 kilometers distance from central Mumbai. An integrated Aerocity with hotels, retail, and logistics will foster economic growth. Challenges persist, including weather-induced delays and connectivity gaps, potentially hindering ambitions to rival Singapore or Dubai as a transit hub. Joint airspace management with AAI ensures seamless operations with CSMIA. Business jets and charters from CSMIA will relocate by in 2025. Overall, NMIA promises to boost Maharashtra's economy, real estate, e.g., Panvel appreciation, tourism, and logistics, handling up to 145 million passengers combined with CSMIA by 2032. As of October 4, 2025, final preparations are underway, with Gautam Adani praising the workforce's dedication. This update encapsulates the journey from conception to near operational status, heralding a new era for Mumbai's aviation landscape. Word count, 1,248, focused summary for brevity while covering essentials.